Computer only understands binary. But what if there was a way? A way where I can write anything that I understand that is decimal and computer can automatically understand it in binary. That is like a translation. What if there was a way? Okay, let's try this exercise. So when I write 0, computer should understand 0. When I write 1, it should understand 1. The problem starts from 2. Because when I write 2, it should understand 1, 0. And when I write 3, it should understand 1, 1. Similarly, when I write 9, it should understand 1, 0, 0, 1. By now, I understand that we are still wasting 2 bits, 0, 0. So why not go till all 4s are 1, right? So that becomes till 15, it can go 1, 1. Now, I can understand how 10, 11, 12 can be difficult to understand, like, is it 1, 0 or it is 10? So why not use alphabets? So 10 becomes A, 11 becomes B, and similarly 15 becomes F. Okay. Oh shit. This is hexadecimal. Yeah. And then it hit me. Every memory dump, every pointer, every color code, every MAC address, every hash, every file header, none of it was random. Hex isn't just another number system. It's the closest thing to binary that the human brain can hold. It's binary, but for us.